G'day, I'm Jamie, welcome to Dealing in Design, and we're showing you the restoration of this FLER 58. I think I've restored about 5 of these before. They're like a super cool design, very small. I love this little bank of drawers. We've got to replace all these knobs. It's got water damage all through it, heaps of scratches. Like I said, all the knobs except one is gone. And they're like the best feature of this whole thing, little brass top on these little tapered knobs. Where I did my apprenticeship, John, who was the foreman, would always, once things would leave the workshop, he'd always say, that thing's never looked as good in its life. And I honestly aim for that. You try to make it as good as it can. You want to do it period specific, but I generally think a lot of this mid-century Australian stuff was finished pretty averagely, to be honest. And so we should be able to get a better finish than it had when it was made, but at least making it look almost original. Just an epic new tin of paint remover. It's got overflow. There we go. Oh God, this finish is gross. Yeah, if we just sit it there, it's going to dry out and it'll stop activating. What we need to do is get it to really penetrate and sweat this finish off. This looks just in keeping with every other finish that's ever been on one of these that we've worked on. Could probably like scrape it off right now, but I just want to keep biting into these nasty parts. Yeah, we'll just get a dry rag, clean all this off, and this top's going to look unreal. See, that's not too bad, hey? All that awful, nasty discoloration and scratches pretty much gone. We haven't changed the colour of the timber too much. You can often tell clients that like most of that is in the finish, most of the damage hadn't really gotten through too much of the timber, like that shadowing there. We'll have to see if we can get rid of that. It's amazing just what things look like when they're stripped and sanded. We need to make handles like this little, tapered edge, stepped dowel to go in here. It's also got this fun little brass fitting. It starts with a dowel like this. We turn it down to something like this. Take a bit of our tubular brass, knock it down, and make one of these little guys. It was his birthday yesterday. 4 years old, hey? So it's pretty much, it is not pretty much done, it's all done. Just went with like that low 10% shine, knobs are fixed, the repairs are done to the front, the repairs are done to the feet, all back together. I think it's come up really nicely. Went with a lacquer for this one instead of like an oil. It is finished in a linseed oil mix at the end, but yeah. Stripped, sanded, lacquered, good to go.